Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Fans of GoPro have plenty to be excited about this holiday season. The pioneering company put a lot of thought and smarts into the new Hero 8, from the built-in mount that flips open from the bottom to the relocation of the battery and memory card door to the side. And the updated HyperSmooth 2.0 image stabilization is simply amazing for when you're shooting on the move. They've also updated the time-lapse shooting function, great improvements all the way around. Joining the Hero 8 is the Hero Max that can operate like a regular GoPro but can go 360 too. VP Rick Loughery.
There's really like no other camera in the world right now, and the app that comes with it makes it super easy for anybody to shoot this type of style photography and videography.
For more, the site is GoPro.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. How many companies out there have continued to innovate when it comes to building a better radio? I'm Fred Fishkin, host of Techstination, and I'm here to tell you about the new CC Skywave SSB radio from the wonderful people at C-Crane. Bob and his crew really love radio, and it shows in this new compact model that is packed with features. Beyond great AM and FM reception and sound, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world, listen to ham radio operators, aviation, and more. It's the radio you'll turn to every day, and in emergencies. It will run for nearly 3 days on just 2 AA batteries. Pair the sleep timer with the new Soft Speaker 3, and you've got the perfect radio for your nightstand. Of course, it can wake you up too. Click on C-Crane at Techstination.com and put in the code Techstination for a free flashlight with your order. They love radio, and you'll love C-Crane.